Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the green screen effect in CapCut Mobile to transport yourself into any background you can imagine. First, set your background first. The secret to a perfect green screen is starting with the bottom layer, your new background. Open CapCut, tap New Project, and select the photo or video you want to use as your new background. This goes on your main timeline first. If it's a photo, click the edge of the clip and drag it out to match the length of the video you're about to import. Next, add your green screen video as an overlay. Now you need to bring in the footage of your subject standing in front of the green screen. Tap the overlay icon at the bottom of the screen, then select Add Overlay. Choose your green screen clip from your gallery. It will appear as a second layer on top of your background. Use two fingers on the preview screen to pinch and zoom until your green screen footage covers the background entirely. Lastly, remove the green with the chroma key. This is the magic step that makes the green disappear and reveals the background behind it. With the overlay clip selected, scroll through the bottom toolbar and tap Remove Background, then select Chroma Key. Drag the circle over a clear green area on your video. Tap Intensity and slide it up until the green vanishes. Tap Shadow and increase it slightly to remove any green glow around your hair or clothes for a more realistic look. And that's all there is to it. To do a green screen in CapCut, start a project with your background clip, then use Overlay to bring in your green screen footage. Use the Chroma Key tool to pick the green color and adjust the intensity until you're perfectly blended into your new scene. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.